Alright guys, John here, and today I got something really nice. Got this Boyd tank in today. Check this thing out. Hey guys, John here, and tonight we got the Boyd fuel tank in for the 68 GMC here. All the work we've been doing in the back, getting this thing ready, and finally she's here. They did a really good job on this tank. All the welding's real nice. The packaging was real nice. Man, it just looks really good. Alright, so let me show you guys the accessories we got here. I went ahead and did the flush fill for the bed. So this is going to be, this is our attachment. That's going to come up and flush mount inside the bed of the truck. You got this top piece right here. This just allows you to screw that in. Then you can go put it in your truck and only use it when you fill. Look at that. Some nice stuff too. It's got some weight to it. And this was the kit for the hose. I don't know if that's their part numbers or not, but there you go if it is. Give you a little koozie, some stickers, and guys, they give you really nice instructions. This is rare. Sometimes you don't even get instructions today. And they give you schematics. These are the instructions that came with the universal tank mounting kit. Just went ahead and ordered it. It already had the rubber pads for sticking up on the side of the tank. And it's got the mounts that you can use with all the hardware. Pretty nice kit. Some nice stuff. And then they give you fuel for the fuel cap. They give you the instructions for that. On the back, they give you some schematics there that you can use to make your cuts. So yeah, that's from Boyd Welding. I think they're down there in Ocala, Florida, actually. So I got the carburetor apart over here. Been using this Berryman's. This is the first time I've tried this. It's made here in Texas. It's some really good stuff. Check out what it did to this. This was the same color on the outside, same discoloration as all of this right now. That was after about an hour and a half of dip. The insides, you'll see them later in another part of the video, but man, it was so gummy and dirty and nasty in there. And this stuff did a really good job. It's really good stuff. So we're gonna continue with the build here. We're gonna get this carburetor finished, rebuilt. Gonna get that tank mounted. Fuel lines already blowed out. And then we'll have this baby running. Alright, for all of you following the C10 build here, we're making headway on the fuel tank. Got some 3-inch black braided. We're going to go with the hard connectors on everything. This is the 6AN flared. Got a bunch of connectors there. Had this one left over from the carburetor up front, so I went ahead and routed it down through the frame. That's your rollover. I'm going to cut it when I get the filter. We'll put a little filter on the end of it. We're going to cut the fuel line back. I've got the fuel filter coming in today. We're going to install it. It's all going to be done with the AN6 connections here, so that We can remove it and change it anytime we want.